The Quran, a guide for life. It is not just a book, but a divine manual for living a fulfilling and righteous life. The Quran is a light for our hearts, illuminating the path of righteousness and virtue. It is a source of peace and guidance, offering solace in times of distress and clarity in moments of confusion. Allah SWT speaks to us through His words, providing wisdom and insight that transcend time and place. He guides us to a life of meaning and purpose, helping us navigate the complexities of our daily lives with faith and conviction. Many of us long to understand the Quran deeply, to connect with its teachings on a personal level. We want to experience its beauty firsthand, to feel the profound impact of its verses in our hearts. But the journey can seem daunting, with so many resources and paths to choose from. Where do we even begin? The first step is to seek knowledge with sincerity and dedication, trusting that Allah will guide us on this sacred journey. Al-Quran Online Academy opens its doors to you, offering a unique and enriching experience. We welcome students of all ages and backgrounds, from young children to adults, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to learn and grow. Our courses are meticulously designed to nurture your connection with the Quran, helping you to understand and appreciate its teachings deeply. We offer a wide range of courses to suit your needs, whether you are a complete beginner or looking to advance your knowledge. Begin with our basic Qaida for kids, perfect for young learners. This course uses interactive tools to make learning engaging and fun. Our basic Quran course is ideal for beginners, providing a solid foundation in reading and understanding the Quran. For those seeking to improve their recitation, we have the Quran with Tajweed course. This course focuses on the correct pronunciation and articulation of the Arabic letters. And for those who aspire to memorize the Quran, our Quran Memorization course provides the support you need. With structured lessons and regular assessments, you will be guided every step of the way.
I started with the basic Quran course, and it really helped me build a strong foundation. The lessons were clear and easy to follow. The teachers are so patient and supportive. They take the time to explain everything and make sure you understand.
I love my Quran classes. They are so much fun, and I learn something new every day. They make learning so much fun with interactive activities and engaging lessons. It's a wonderful way to learn the Quran.
At Al-Quran Online Academy, we understand that life can be busy. Whether you're a working professional, a student, or a parent, finding time to study can be challenging. That's why we offer flexible learning options designed to fit into your busy lifestyle. You can learn from the comfort of your home at a time that suits you best. No need to commute or adhere to a rigid schedule. Our classes are just 30 minutes long, making it easy to fit into your schedule. Even if you have a packed day, you can still find time for your spiritual growth. We offer flexible timings to accommodate different time zones, ensuring that no matter where you are, you can join our classes. You can connect with us from anywhere in the world. Our global reach means you can learn from experienced teachers no matter your location. We also offer trial classes, so you can get a feel for our teaching style and see if it suits your needs. Experience our teaching firsthand before making a commitment. This way, you can be sure that our academy is the right fit for you.
The flexibility of Al-Quran Online Academy has been a game changer for me. I can study at my own pace and on my own terms. I can fit my lessons into my busy schedule without any hassle. It's convenient, efficient, and has made learning the Quran a seamless part of my daily routine.
Experienced teachers, proven methods.
Our teachers are highly qualified and experienced. They are passionate about sharing the beauty of the Quran. Our teaching methods are engaging and effective. We believe in a personalized approach. Our teachers provide individual attention to each student. They will guide you every step of the way, ensuring your success.
We want you to feel confident and comfortable in your learning journey.
Open your heart to the Quran.
Learning the Quran is a transformative journey. It is a journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. The Quran has the power to change your life. It can bring you closer to Allah SWT. It can fill your heart with peace and contentment. It can guide you to make righteous choices.
Embark on this beautiful journey today. Take the first step today. Don't delay your Quranic journey any longer. Join Al-Quran Online Academy and discover the transformative power of Allah's words. Contact us today via WhatsApp to begin your journey. We look forward to welcoming you to our online family. Let us help you unlock the treasures of the Quran.